How are you? If you're new here, my name's Lex. Hi. I do a thing called Palette A to Z, or at least I try to. I'm still an A, but so this is where I go through my eyeshadow palette collection alphabetically by the name of the palette, because if I did it by the name of the brand, we would have done like 8 Anastasia palettes, and I would have hated Anastasia by the time we were done with this. So I go by the name of the palette, and I use it. And that's where I'm like, yes, I love this palette, or she gotta go. So the palette for today is this one from Viseart. This is the Theory 4 Amethyst. So it's one of those little 6-pan like travel palettes. It looks like this. So if you want to see how I did this look with this palette, my thoughts, and whether or not she's getting the boot, then keep watching. All right, based on Brows Done, Eyes Primed. Here's our little palette. And I'm gonna start with, I don't think these have names. So I'm just gonna start, maybe they do if I take them out of the thing. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna take this middle matte shade. All right, so I'm gonna put that on this outer. Dig in a little more. Oh no, I don't have enough time. Outer third and through the crease. Alright, so now I'm going to take the darkest purple here, and this palette is filthy, and use that to deepen up this outer corner a little bit. These are not as pigmented as I remember them being. There we go. I don't know. I thought these were more pigmented. And then to blend out the edge, I'm going to take the lightest matte shade. Just to go over those edges. Really blend them in. Okay, next I'm going to take the middle shimmery shade. Is that what it looks like? Yeah, I guess that is what it looks like. There we go. Turn the light down a little bit. That's that. I'm going to put that right here on the lid. And then, where'd my other brush go? And then blend where they meet. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take the middle matte shade again. And just bring that all the way across. And then I'm not picking anything else up, like any other color. I'm just using my teeny tiny brush to blend the edges. And then for the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm going to take the lightest shade. The lightest shimmery shade. Right in here. Okay, this is the eyeshadow done. I'm going to do liner and mascara and all that, and then we'll be right back. Okay, here are the eyes done. And let's just finish the face because I definitely have some thoughts. Contouring with my Kevyn Aucoin powder. Bronzing with Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I haven't used this in a while. Can you believe it? Remember when I only used just this? For blush, I'm going to use the Cover FX Duo in Mojave Mauve. I'm going into the matte shade first. I'm just plopping that on my cheeks. And then before I put the like the shimmer shade on, I'm going to use that as like highlight kind of. So I'm going to buff over my face first. I don't want to stand up. With my Hourglass powder. I found it. Okay, so a quick buff with my Hourglass powder. Then I'm going to take the shimmer shade. Like highlighter. like a highlighter and blush topper, so I'm not going to bring it like around my eyebrow. Maybe. No, it's too purple for that. For my lip, I'm using this from Sephora collection. It's one of the lip stories. It is number 65. It's called Spiked. It's the one that has like cactuses on it. There we go. Okay, turn the light down one more. Let me spray my face. Smashbox. Alright, so here's the finished look, which I don't hate. I don't hate it. It's pretty and I like it, but I just remembered this to be better. Like the shades to be more pigmented and to like just wow me more. And then I also, like looking at it again now, feel like I can only get so many looks out of this. Like I've done this look before. There's no way that I have not done this look before with this palette. So yes, like as much as it really pains me to say this because it's Viseart and I feel like I should just be completely blown out of the water, love it. What is this piece of hair doing? I think I'm gonna get rid of this. She's gotta go. Wow, I feel really bad for saying that. It's gotta go. It's gotta go. This is not... It's pretty, but I don't need this tiny palette to make this look. I have other palettes where I can make this exact same look, if not better. So... So sad. So very sad. But it has to be done. That's why we do these videos. If I didn't do this, this would have just continued to sit in my collection. And yes, it's small. It doesn't take up much space. But what is it really doing for me just sitting there if I'm not using it? And if I can make the same looks with something else I already have. So, very sad, but the Viseart Theory 4 palette in Amethyst has gotta go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!